What are you saying? What are you telling them? What is it? This one? That one? This one? You're so big! Oh, she's gonna talk to me. Tell him. What? What are you gonna tell him? What is it? Preach it. Tell him.
You tell them. You
Tell
be
'em.
good girls. Get turned all the way around. Okay, you just gotta get out. You better be careful. Your leg's hooked.
You can't get out.
Okay, I just turned around. This is how I got in.
No. No. Fixed.
Now she can get out.
Where you going? That looks familiar.
No. You're like, you're out. Yay! Now tell the girls. You get that? No. Okay, well you sit down. Sit your butt down. You forget how you get in every time, don't you? it's a new method.
Try a different way. That's really not going to get it.
Stick your leg in down the front.
That ain't going to make it. Yeah, I think you're stuck.
I don't know. Look at me. That looks like a horrible idea.
Say mama.
My baby Olivia.
Who is that? Is that you? Is that you? Whoop. Okay. It's enough playing with the camera.
She's trying to use that as a step to get up.
Well, that's how she did it. That's how she's getting in it every time.
Is it?
She stands in it with one foot and turns and puts her butt down. But that foot's gonna slip.
Turn around and put your butt down. But, no. Okay, yeah. Sit your butt down. Well, good girl. Sort of. Come on. Come a little closer to me. You have some red. Let me see your teeth. I thought that tooth was bleeding over there.